In this video, I will show you how you can become a millionaire by just investing in the stock market. Now, all you need to do is pursue a sound investing strategy. There is no need to chase fads or indulge in risky bets to make profit. For example, take a look at these guys over at Wall Street Bets on Reddit. These guys were, hawking junk stocks like GameStop and AMC. Now, of course, some of them probably ended up making, a few quick bucks, but most of them, they have lost their shirts. And you can go on the subreddit, you can read the comments, and you know that a lot of these people did not understand what they were doing. They were just trying to chase a fad. So you don't want to be that guy. So here are 3 ETFs that you can start investing today. You don't need to have a lot of cash to start investing in these ETFs, and by working with these ETFs you can get a step closer to reaching your ultimate goal of becoming a millionaire. Now, my favorite ETF in this list is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This fund tracks the top 500 largest corporations in the United States. By investing in this fund, you are getting a piece of all these big companies. So companies like Amazon, Facebook, Apple, Microsoft, you are investing in all these companies by buying this ETF. Investing in this ETF is far safer than buying individual stocks. This is because larger companies, they tend to be more stable than smaller companies, and by investing in all of them at the same time through an ETF, you are significantly reducing your risk exposure. Now, most S&P 500 companies are huge corporations that have been making consistent profit for a long period of time. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF has earned an average rate of return of around 15% per year since its inception. So if you were to invest around $200 per month in this ETF for the next 30 years, you will become a millionaire. So my second favorite ETF in this list is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. This is a broad market fund that tracks the entire US stock market. It includes stocks from some of the largest corporations in the country as well as mid-size and smaller companies. So when you invest in this ETF, you are buying a piece of large companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, as well as, some of the smaller upcoming businesses that have a potential to make it big in the next 10 years. Because this fund tracks the entire US stock market, it's much safer to invest than buying in individual stocks. So over a long period of time, you're almost guaranteed to get positive returns if you keep invested in this ETF. This ETF has earned an average return of around 8% since its inception. So if you were to invest around $750 per month in Vanguard S&P 500 ETF for the next 30 years, you will become a millionaire. Okay, now moving on to my third ETF in this list, it's the Vanguard Growth ETF. So this ETF, it just contains over 250 stocks from companies with the strong potential for growth. Growth ETFs tend to be more riskier than the first 2 ETFs that I discussed in this list, and this is because the companies included in this ETF are more volatile. However, these funds are designed to experience higher than average returns, making them a great choice for those people who want to maximize their returns while still limiting their risk. So this fund has earned an average of around 11% per year since its inception. So to reach $1 million in saving, all you need to do is invest roughly $450 per month in this ETF for the next 30 years, and voila, you will be a millionaire. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think of investing in index exchange traded funds, the ETFs. By the way, are you guys bullish on the current US stock market, or do you think that we are in a bubble? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like this video and subscribe to Techno Panda show for more videos like this. Also check out my main channel where I review laptops and other electronic gadgets. So thanks again for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.